Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, commercial or residential lot with a house, old house for sale, located in Andabol. So this is located in Andabol, guys. It has a wide frontage, ideal for commercial and residential. Actually, this is a residential house for sale for a package price of 4,500,000 pesos negotiable. So it is negotiable. So this is the house. Then still livable, guys. You can convert this into a house and lot for sale, or you can demolish, change a new one, or you can improve and build a new one at the back for additional improvement or additional house for the tourist, because it is just few minutes away from the white sand beaches in Anda, Bohol. Few minutes, more or less. It's like 5 to 10 minutes drive from the white sand beaches. So the property, actually we cannot enter inside, although we have a video on this before, we can give you. So may video na noon pa. At itong property na to, guys, ay maganda talaga. It's a clean title. Maganda to gawin mong, kasi uso sa Anda ngayon yung mga pumunta doon at mag-lodging lang. Mag-lodging sila doon, mag-lodging house or mag-hotel. Ito ang isa sa pinakamagandang spot kasi malapit lang yan sa Bugnaw CE Resort. Yung may magandang resort doon at pwede tayo maka-access patungo sa beach, papunta sa beach, or you can going straight to the Anda de Boracay Beach, which is located in the poblacion of Anda. So yun po, hindi kami nakapasok kasi yung susi, yung number nalimutan ni caretaker. So maganda yan, guys, for improvement, for additional improvement. I-improve mo na lang yung house. So rectangular in size, approximately nasa mga 15 minutes wide frontage, 15 to 20 minutes drive wide frontage sa highway. So pwede kayo magawa dito ng hotel, improve mo yan, or if you don't like, so you can demolish the house. Then the price is negotiable, although the owner is not around, guys. Wala talaga si owner, nandun sa ibang bansa. So yan po. So kung gustuhin natin tingnan, just contact me. It's along highway to Anda. Kasi yung Anda is papasok man yan 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. And going straight is the here. This one is the Anda de Boracay. So ang Anda de Boracay, guys, is like a public beach. White sand. Maraming maliligo dyan. Mga local, tourist, open yan. Wala yang bayad. So maganda punta ka dyan. So hindi yan mahirap puntahan kasi nasa front lang yan ng simbahan ng Anda, at sa nasa public talaga yan, simbahan at sa munisipyo. So beside of the town hall and in front of the church of the Anda Bohol. So it is called Anda de Boracay because may mga malaki talaga ang sandbar. Kaya yun, tinatawag na Anda de Boracay. Katulad ng Boracay, napuntahan ko na yun, may malaki din. Ang layo naman. Pero ito maganda talaga dito guys. Napakataas kaya sinasabi nilang Anda de Boracay. Mataas ang frontage ng beach. Yun po ang gandahan sa Anda de Boracay at makapunta ka. So kung gusto mo marami pang mga properties for sale, may mabibigay tayo. So nandyan lang tayo sa Bohol at Cebu area. So mga it's around 5 minutes drive lang from the property we are selling. So maganda oh, matingnan mo, super white sand talaga. So mga bata naglalaro diyan. Yun, magandang sitwasyon sa Anda. Yun ang i-promote natin, Anda Bohol, Anda de Boracay, White Sand Beaches. So, may marami tayong mga properties in Bohol, guys. Okay? Or magpunta lang tayo sa malapit lang dito. Galing tayo sa property, papunta dito. Mga 3 minutes lang siguro drive. Anda, Bugnaw Sea na guys. Diyan may malapit tayo mga walking distance to the beach. Walking distance lang ha. 1,331 square meters at 6 million pesos. Malaki din. So aside from that, the one day house and lot, you can stay immediately because it has complete facilities. You can go directly here. So maganda talaga guys pag makapunta tayo doon at makabili ng property. Ito po yung Bugnaw Sea. So Bugnaw Sea kasi maganda talaga ang beach diyan. Super ganda at may access tayo ito. Malaki na yan na access papunta sa beach. Libre yan guys, walang bayad. Super ganda talaga. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. So itong Bugnaw Sea, mga maraming tourist din dyan. May ligo dito. Ang kitang-kita natin ang linaw talaga ng dagat guys. Super crystal yung tubig. Napakaganda. Facing Mindanao Sea yan guys. Facing Mindanao Sea. Gusto kang mag-diving dito guys. Maganda. Maraming mga divers pumunta dito. At saka according to the diver na nakausap ko, iba talaga dito sa Anda. May magagandang mga species na di katulad ng iba na common. So super ganda. So see, very nice guys, super very nice. Yan po ang Bugnaw Sea Resort. Okay. So very nice. Thank you and God bless. Bye.